What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to tell you about the cheapest and fastest LLC formation service. There are a lot of websites that offer good packages for LLC formation, and we will consider some of the pros and the downsides of each website that we're going to talk about in this video, and I'll tell you exactly which one is the cheapest and fastest. So without further talks, let's begin. Number 5. Zen Business. They offer the following pros. They have a huge variety of add-on products. For example, you can add a business credit cards, web hosting, and even registered agent services. They also have a very straightforward pricing model, and they even offer easy payment options for single services without requiring a yearly subscription, which really stands out because a lot of these services don't offer that. They also offer free expense tracking and tax deduction tagging, which includes tools for tracking expenses and tagging tax deductions. And they even offer alerts for recurring filings, which could really help as a reminder for you. Number 4. Ink File. They are specifically great for small business owners because they offer a lot of free tools, resources that can educate you, and they offer very affordable business license research, which means they are going to do all the legwork for you, researching all of the licenses that you will need to legally start your business, which can save you a lot of mistakes. Number 3. Tailor Brands. It's literally like a one-stop shop for starting your business, and they are especially strong in that they offer a wide range of services, including not only LLC formation but even website building, branding tools, and even logo designs. Tailor Brands has had also over 30 million customers, so really big on the reputation side with them, and they have also good reviews regarding the LLC formation. Number 2. LegalZoom. Forming an LLC with LegalZoom will be simple, and they will also guide you through each step with personalized recommendations based on your state and business needs. Plus, you will get lifetime customer support from experienced professionals and access to essential business services like EIN registration, tax advice, and compliance alerts. So whether you are a first-time entrepreneur or looking to protect an existing business, LegalZoom offers everything you need all in one place, so you can also use LegalZoom with confidence. Now let's get into number 1, which is actually the best option and will provide you with the cheapest and fastest LLC formation. And this website is Northwest Registered Agent. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned that I will talk about the pros and the downsides of each website. And actually, the 4 websites that I have mentioned before, all of them have a very annoying downside. Yes, they offer services starting at $0, but when you start adding on different things, that $0 gets really high and fast, so you don't really end up getting the best value overall for your dollar. But when talking about Northwest Registered Agent, it offers you a package that will only cost you $39 plus the state fees, and this package normally is $225. So if you start to look for the same features that is inside this $39 package, if you find it in other websites, you will get it with more than $200. And this $39 package include LLC formation services, free registered agent services, mail forwarding to your business address, and also free phone service for 60 days. So actually, this is the best deal that you are going to find anywhere online. They also have other packages, but keep in mind that if you need more needs, you will also pay more. But actually, this package is gonna be sufficient for most of the people, so I advise you guys to try it. And now here are some additional services that you can have it using Northwest Registered Agent. You can start your corporation for a certain fee plus state fees. They offer non-profit formation. They offer annual reports. They offer EIN services and even virtual offices. All of this can make your LLC package obviously a bit more buff, which means a bit more costly. But if you are looking for the basic plan, 39 package that I have mentioned will be good for you. And that's all for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.